How to permanently delete a Facebook page on Android. The process is simple, and I'll guide you through it step by step. First, open the Facebook app on your Android. Next, tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Tap the profile switcher or the drop-down arrow next to your profile name, then select the Facebook page you want to delete. Once you've switched to your page, tap the menu icon. Go to Settings and Privacy and tap Settings. Now, tap Access and Control. Then select Delete Page. Tap Continue. If you want to keep a copy of your page's data, you can choose to download your information before deleting the page. Tap Continue, then tap Continue and enter your Facebook account password to verify your identity. Finally, confirm your decision by tapping Delete Page when prompted. Once confirmed, your Facebook page will be scheduled for permanent deletion. That's it! You have permanently deleted a Facebook page on Android. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tech tutorials.